How to use sleep timer on Audible. Hello everyone, welcome to that tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use sleep timer on Audible. The first step is to launch the Audible application on your device. And then once you've launched it, you'll be brought to your own page and show you log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. And then once you're on this page, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons which includes home, library, discover profile. Ensure you click on the library option and then you'll be brought to your libraries page. So once you're on this page, you'll see the book that you have. So the next step is for you to play the book that you'd like to use sleep timer from. So once you play the book, move to the bottom part of the screen and click on the control of the book this way. And by clicking on the control, you would see that the control will be enlarged and you can see further player controls such as the forward, the rewind, you can see the speed, you can see car mode, and then you can see timer. So once you can see timer, click on that and go ahead and set a sleep timer. You can set it to 5 minutes, let's set it to 10 minutes, you can set it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the one that works best for you. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just set it to 15 minutes, and then once you've done that, you can go ahead and enjoy your audiobook. Alright, so this is how it works. This is basically how you can use sleep timer on Audible. It's very simple, so ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.